don't see CASAMIGOS in this video. CASAMIGOS. Oh my, no CASAMIGOs. Yo, what's good, what's poppin', beautiful people? It's your boy Mario, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to another reaction video. This time around, it's for a music video. We haven't done one in a long time on this channel. Usually, I put out content based off of my live streams every Friday, and usually the algorithm is not fair for music videos, so that's why you've never seen a music video in the last couple months, like reviews or reaction rather of music videos. But anyway, I have to make an exception, man. I have to come back into this music video biz because people have been dropping hot music videos that would have been good content. So yeah, this is me taking a piece of that cake, all right, that algorithm cake, and we're getting into it, man. Wizkid, Bad to Me, new single, most recent single from Wizkid, leading towards is More Love, Less Ego album. I've absolutely grown to love this record. I liked it in the first instance. I think it's an actual bop. A lot of people have had their reservations for it, but I'm not too one to frown on this particular record. I think I've enjoyed it. It's been enjoyable. That quotable CASAMIGOS for my amigos, very memorable and catchy from Wiz. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the visuals for this one. This is Wizkid, Bad to Me. Let's hear it. Or let's watch it rather.
Welcome to tonight's show. We have Wizkid performing his new.
Where is this guy from? Ah no, this guy's taking. There's some nostalgia from this face. I recognize this face. Where is he from? Gosh, it's killing me. I've seen him on a TV show growing up. Where? He's an actor, right? Or a presenter, something of that nature. Jeez, it's killing me that I don't know. See, if I was on a live stream right now, I'd have asked people, and people in the chat would have told me who this man's name is, because it's killing me that I don't know his name. Or I don't know where I remember him from. But anyway, let's get into it. Wait, what? Show lover. Okay, listen. Nah, this is funny. Big Wiz the star. People have told me this video is cruise. Okay, the guys have said this video is cruise, and I'm here for a comical, satirical Wiz. Okay, I don't think we've seen that often from his visuals. Let's see, man. So far, this is a concept for a show, Big Wiz the star. If I don't see CASAMIGOS in this video. Oh my, no CASAMIGOs. What was that? You better get him before they eat him up. Okay, alright. She's looking out for her homegirl. I see it.
Now me and you, they talk no one.
Now in the club.
Baby, me. Only you know how they do me.
Where's the cruise in this video, bro? We're how many minutes in? I've been like, I don't know, man. I don't know what I was expecting. Like, people said it was cruise, it was comical. So far, it doesn't seem that much comical. All I'm getting is nice visuals so far. Like, there's not been many things to even talk about. Like, see why I don't do music video reviews and reactions anymore? Because you'd be dead, and I'm like left with almost nothing to say because they're just doing cool shots to cool shots to cool shots. There's supposed to be a story in here, which for me just feels flat. Like there's no meat to the story. Like there's throwing in subtitles here, but this feels quite inconclusive for a concept for the video. I would have just liked this for it to be a club scene. I wouldn't have been mad at it, bro. And just seeing guys screaming CASAMIGOS for my amigos and actually passing CASAMIGOS to his amigos. Why is he not passing CASAMIGOS to his amigos? It doesn't make sense. I need the visuals, bro. I need the visuals. Let it make sense. So far, you're giving me some Romeo and Juliet touring the city, date night type shit. I want the club. I want the high energy. The crowd that's singing and chanting on the record. Let's see them now. You know what I mean? Anyway, Sha, it was me to ask you for too much, but still, Okay, now he's dating her. End of story. Okay, more love, less ego. More love, less ego. Plug that shit. Okay. Plug it. Alright, sipping tea, cool shot. Oh my god, we're getting a snippet. Okay. But anyway, that was it, ladies and gentlemen. That was cool from Big Wiz. I'm not mad at it. I mean, it's a fun, like, no-brainer type record. It's a song about love. Yeah, I get it. Like, I guess what else can you expect? I don't know. People have just hyped me to come here and review and do a reaction for this music video. I was thinking it was something different or something crazy that we haven't seen from him, but yeah, it's a clean video. It's clean visually. It's nice. Obviously, Wizkid, the stylist, came to work. Okay, it was looking spiffy, you know. But anyway, I'm not mad at it, man. That was visuals for bad to me. I'm looking forward to his album, man. I'm seeing what the album is saying now. That he's creating moments and eras around this album. We're coming towards the final last days before the album. The album could be out any moment from now, so it's a matter of time. And he's already like getting visuals out there with the references to the album in the video too. So anyway, I'm here for it. I'm curious what you guys think about the video. I think it was an okay video. I didn't think it was like, yeah, I think it was all that. I don't think it was anything I've never seen from video. There've been much more impactful music videos from him. Smile is still one of my favorite visuals from him. I think that was such a rich music video. Guys, you wouldn't believe this. I found exactly where I know this guy from. You know the guy that presented at the beginning of the music video? Yeah, that guy. As I was editing, it came back to me where I've known him from, where I've seen that face before. And it's from the Ghanaian TV series that used to air on Nigerian television. It's called Sun City. Yeah. Anyone used to watch that show? Anyway, I looked for I went digging, bro. If I see something, that's me, man. If I see something that is triggering some memory and I can't get a hold of it, I always go down the pipeline to say exactly what it is. Kaba. Sun City. Come on. Yo, this brings back memories, man. So this is the guy in the black. That's the guy that's presenting in the beginning of the music video. I guess he's a Ghanaian actor. Yo, this bringing memories, bro. Kilo day.
You seem to be accident prone.
I'm really sorry. You know what? I don't know why I get so clumsy around you. Please, I'm very, very sorry.
She's feeling the boy. You feeling the boy, yeah. Anyway, that was it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching my video reaction. That is probably the first in a long time. And we'll try and do more of this, like spontaneously, you know. But if you're new to this channel, the main party happens on Friday nights, okay? 5:30 EST and 10:30 Nigerian time. That's where we do live streams of all the new music that we get. And of course, in order to know that, you have to subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when it's up in case you need a reminder. So thank you so much, man, for watching this one, and I'll see you guys on the live stream, hopefully. All right? Peace out.